Just have a look, guys. Just have a look. So green. Yes, I'm just so in love with this pink peach. Yeah, I don't know, pink, peach, baby pink, whatever pink it is, but this has come out amazingly well. The most cutest DIY I've ever done in my life, guys. It took a lot of time to stitch it, but then it's no-brainer job. It's really no-brainer job, guys. You just have to have elastic and glue gun. That's it. You're good to go. I did not even hem the edges because I was unable to hem it, so I glued the edges here. And this is all stitched. That's it, guys. There is part 2 of this video coming in the next week because I'm thinking to add sleeves to it. The balloon or ruffle. This material is a saree material. Yes, there was a saree which was damaged to the core, so I used it to make this cute little DIY too. Oh my god, I'm so bad at singing, so please excuse me for that. So without any further ado, let's get to the video.
I always wanted a shirring top or frock ever since I was a kid. Ta-da! Here we go! I make one for myself. We'll be making millions and millions of this from now on. This is really great for the summer and of course for spring. The things that you need is just the fabric, a yard or two depending on your bust measurement, and Julius Caesar. Yes, Julius Caesar. I don't need Julius Caesar though. The scissor. Yeah, I mean scissor. Elastic thread, bobbin thread, and measure how long and wide you need your top to be. Mine came out to be some 42 inches long and 13 inches wide. I had no pink thread to stitch the raw edges, so glued them. I left some 2 inches above and 3 inches below the top because I wanted it to a little flary, girly, which sort of looks like peplum top. Okay, to be frank, by then I sewed in the middle of the top. I was really tired, so left it as is. Yeah guys, it has got nothing to do with peplum top. Anyway, I've also added straps to the top, but it's left to your discretion to add it or not, which is also glued to the top. So basically, I have only stitched the burst portion and rest is all glued. That is it, guys. You are done. So just wear it and rock it.
So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. So if you have liked it, please try out. My request for everybody who watches this video is to try this, because watching would not fetch anything, guys. Just try and look really cute. Enhance your beauty as much as you can. And that is it for today's video, guys. Follow me on my Instagram. Never forget to follow me on my Instagram, and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye.